thinking we're like top, like so like high up.
Alright. We got school tomorrow. How do you feel?
I hate school.
I'm gonna do like a last day of school vlog. Today is like
Sort of the first day. Yeah,
kind of.
first.
There you go. Alright, I'll see you guys.